It's a day filled with joy, gratitude, and celebration.
Now, let us all shower the room with the loudest cheer and warmest applause as we welcome a leader, a mentor, and an inspiration to us all, our beloved school principal and today's shining star, Mrs. Amabel T. Duble, our birthday celebrant.
What a beautiful day together as one family. We are here to honor and celebrate the life of a remarkable leader, mentor, and second mother to us all, our dear principal, Ma'am Duble.
On behalf of the faculty, staff, students, and the entire school community, welcome to this festive celebration.
Before we begin the exciting lineup of surprises, let us first take a moment to appreciate the person we are celebrating today, Ma'am Duble.
Now, may we call on our very own senior high school student government president, Ms. Dina Nawa, to give us an opening remarks. Good morning, everyone. It is with great joy and honor that I stand before you today as we gather for a very special occasion, the birthday celebration of our dear principal, Ma'am Amabel Duble. This day is not just about marking another year in her life, but also about celebrating the countless ways she has touched and inspired our community here in ICAS de Calarian. Ma'am Amabel is more than just a school principal. She is a leader with a heart, a mentor who uplifts, and a mother figure who always has our best interests at heart. Under her leadership, our school has grown not only in excellence, but also in unity, discipline, and compassion. She has shown us that true leadership is not about authority, but about service, humility, and dedication. As we celebrate her special day, let us also take this moment to reflect on the many blessings she has shared with us. Her wisdom, her patience, and her unwavering commitment to the success of both her students and teachers. Ma'am, you have been a shining light, guiding us through challenges and encouraging us to give our very best. And for that, we are truly grateful. Today, we set aside our busy schedules to honor you and to let you feel how deeply loved and appreciated you are. This celebration is a symbol of our collective gratitude for the sacrifices you make and the inspiration you continuously provide. On behalf of all my passions, I would like to greet you, Ma'am Amabel, a very blessed and meaningful birthday. May this day bring you joy as bright as your smiles, love as warm as your heart, and blessings as abundant as the lives you have touched. Once again, happy birthday, Ma'am Amabel. Let us all join together in making this day truly memorable for our beloved principal. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Dina Nawa, for the heartwarming message.
Now, let the real celebration begin. We have prepared exciting performances and special surprises just for our very own school principal.
To start, let's feel the energy and the spirit as the Elementary Bravura Dance Club take the stage with a lively performance dedicated to our celebrant.
Let's give them a big round of applause.
Elementary Bravura Dance Club for that electrifying performance.
Now, this celebration wouldn't be complete without some heartfelt words. Let us hear meaningful messages from those who have been inspired by Mom's leadership and kindness.
To give this message to our beloved school principal, may we call on Mr. Gilbert Galan. A warm round of applause, please.
Good morning, Ma'am Tube. In the lush of Garden of Life, you bloom on an exquisite rose, fragrancing the world with the sweetness of kindness, compassion, and love. May your birthday be a radiance of celebrations and an inner beauty, your resilient strength, and your gentle soul. May the symphony of laughter, the rhythm of cherished moments, and the poetry of treasured memories fill your heart with boundless joy. May your life continue to be a masterpiece of love, a timeless work of art, and inspires and uplifts all who behold it. Wishing you a year ahead that's as lovely, vibrant, and extraordinary as you are. On behalf of the ICAS Cadet Gallery and Elementary Department, we greet you with the happiest birthday. Happy birthday, Ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mr. Galan, for that heartfelt message. Coming from the Junior High School Department, let's welcome Ms. Jeremy De La Serna, to give her birthday message. Let's give her a big round of applause. So, para po sa ating pinamahal na principal, sa ngalan po ng buong Junior High School Department, kami po ay taus-pusong bumabati sa inyo ng isang masaya at pinagpalang kaarawan. Hindi lamang po kayo isang punong guro na gumagabay sa amin. Ang inyong dedikasyon ay hindi lamang nagbubunga ng maayos na pamamalakad, kundi nagbibigay din ng inspirasyon upang patuloy naming gampanan ang aming tungkulin ng may sigla at kagalakan. Naway sa espesyal na araw na ito ay madama ninyo ang aming pasasalamat at pagmamahal. Dalangin po namin ang inyong mabuting kalusugan at higit na pagpapala mula sa Diyos. Naway magpatuloy kayong maging ilaw at inspirasyon sa aming lahat at patuloy na magbigay ng direksyon tungo sa mas maliwanag na bukas para sa ating paralan at mga mag-aaral. Muli, mula po sa aming lahat sa Junior High School Department, maligayang kaarawan po, Ginang Almabel Tuble.
Thank you so much for that wonderful message, Miss Cherry May. Once again, thank you teachers for those meaningful messages.
For another heartwarming message coming from the Senior High School Department, may we call on Mr. Bukoy? A big round of applause, please.
So, happiest birthday to our very own principal, Mrs. Annabel T. Tuble. So, wishing you happiness and of course, good health and endless blessing. So, Ma'am Tuble, thank you so much for your guidance and leadership sa amin na naging inspiration sa amin everyday. So, yun na. Thank you so much, Ma'am, and happiest birthday. God bless you po.
Thank you, sir, for that heartfelt message.
Now, to give us another inspiring birthday message, may we call on our very own active school director, Reverend Father Elmer G. Sumile. Let's give him a big round of applause.
Good morning to each and everyone, especially to the celebrant, Ma'am Almabel Tuble, and others, I believe. Sorry lang, si Ma'am Tuble ang principal, so parang special siya, other than yung hindi pa. Maging principal kayo para may special day. A certain degree of respect to the celebrant. A simple gesture of celebration, a simple gesture, actions, words, even tokens, just to appreciate the gift of life. For how many years na, Ma'am Tuble, na ICAS de Galeria? 59, and then how many years na ICAS? 26 years. ICAS de Galeria is 35 years ba, Sir Rene? How many years na ICAS de Galeria? 33. So 33. 26 out of 33 years. A very good mother to everyone. I believe the 3 children, may apo na, graduate, kahit nandito nag-work, family that continues to inspire us, just like ICAS family. So may this day, Ma'am Tumble, be more meaningful to you and to all who are here. Be inspired by the gift of life, by the gift of presence. We want to join it together as a family. Especially to those who are newly wedded couples, mga ICAS teachers who are newly married, no? Maging mommy and daddy, and those who are planning pa, mga dalaga dyan, mga soltero who are planning to get married, no? Be inspired on how to really be a mother and a parent. And Ma'am Tuble, in this celebration, is a reminder to all of us as a Catholic institution, Marian institution. Hopefully, the love, the dynamism that you have shared to all of us continue to inspire as you have been doing. So congratulations and happy birthday to you and to those who are celebrating today. Good morning to each and everyone. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Father Elmer, for that wonderful message. And to express our gratitude and admiration, let's enjoy a series of heartfelt video presentations prepared by our students, faculty, and staff, showcasing the love, respect, and appreciation we all have for our dearest principal.
of this celebration. You may now give your gifts to our birthday celebrant.
These tokens of love are not just presents, but symbols of the respect, gratitude, and admiration that the entire school community feels for you, ma'am. Each gift carries with it the love of every student, teacher, and staff whose lives you have touched. Thank you, sir. Again, these tokens of love are not just presents, but symbols of the respect, gratitude, and admiration that the entire school community feels for you, ma'am. Each gift carries with it the love of every student, teacher, and staff whose lives you have touched.
I would like to inform everyone that today is also the birthday of Sir Glenn. And tomorrow is the birthday of Sir Herolaga. So happy birthday to those two who celebrated yesterday and who will be celebrating tomorrow. Thank you. Happy birthday, Sir Ren and Sir Glenn.
Thank you so much, ICAS family, for giving these presents.
wait lang, stop ko na. Everybody stand. Energy ha? Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Okay? Thank you so much, Aika's family, for giving these presents. You just made our celebration more unforgettable. We've seen the performances, heard the touching messages, and given our heartfelt gifts. Now, it's time to hear from the star of today's celebration.
Let's give her a big round of applause to our birthday celebrant, Ma'am Tuple, as she shares her message with us.
Thank you so much. Despite the busy schedules that we have, you were able to insert this particular celebration of life of mine. Thank you so much. I appreciate it big time. However, I'd like to tell you that syempre pag birthday, you ask what are your wishes? Actually, wishes are for the school. That I really hope that all our endeavors as a school will be realized. Despite trials, tribulations, and challenges, I certainly hope that all our aspirations as ICAS Salarian community will come true. And I really hope that our students would realize why they are being disciplined as real ICASians. So hopefully in the future we will be able to establish what a real ICASian is. Na pag nakita mo, once you see, ICASian yan. Once you see a personality, people would say, that is an ICASian, that is from ICASian. Kalarian community. So hopefully, in the near future, we will be able to have that particular image na pag nakita tayo, ay kasya niyan, mabait talaga sila, magaling talaga sila, matalino talaga sila. As Father has always been saying or reminding us, this school uses a whole child approach. So, ang development ninyo, the formation is, kumbaga, complete. Not only here, but also here. Thank you so much once again. I hope, lahat na sinabi ko, you're going to put that in your minds and in your hearts. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Alabati, for that inspiring message.
To make this celebration even more fantastic, let's welcome the faculty, staff, and the student government together with the bravura dancers as they set the stage on fire with the vibrant community dance performance.
Let's give them a big round of applause.
Requesting all the teachers, please come on stage. Students. Everyone, students, please stand up. Once again, let's welcome the faculty, staff, the student government, together with the bravura dancers. the close of this memorable celebration, let us once again greet our beloved principal. A very happy birthday, Ma'am Tuble.
Your dedication, love, and leadership have touched countless lives. And today, we celebrate not just your birthday, but the blessing of having you as our principal. May the year ahead filled with endless joy, good health, and greater success.
This has been a day full of love, laughter, and gratitude. All because of you, Ma'am. Thank you for inspiring us every day. Once again, happy birthday and may God bless you always.
This has been Mayhan S. De La Cruz,
And Marcos Rafael Tidos Reyes,
your Masters of Ceremony.
I'm Kashaks. Together we say,